today I'm gonna make a 2-in-1 stainless exhaust for this FXR right behind me. It's a 94 FXLR, FXR lowrider that I'm getting ready for the run to Terlingua here in October 15th and 16th. Should be rad. Bike's pretty much ready. I'm just getting everything tightened up, and I broke an exhaust mount recently on the old exhaust that was on there. So I figure I'm gonna go ahead and build a stainless 2-in-1 from scratch. Right? Yeah, that's what I do. Okay, so far I'm gonna catch you guys up to where I'm at right now. I've got a couple pieces cut right here. Okay, this is 1 3/4 304 stainless steel that I've cut to about 3 inches or so. Okay, so this is gonna be what attaches to the head. All right. On some prior exhaust, I've cut little rings like this to where I seat these in here, and I fill in the weld. If it'll focus, yeah, I'll fill in the weld. But in this scenario, the exhaust I'm doing is gonna be 1 7/8 inches. So I'm gonna step up from 1 3/4 to 1 7/8 inches. So I happen to have the 1 7/8 inches material. So, ooh, look at that thing, baby. 1 7/8 inches cut over here. And it's some tough material. So I just gotta wait for it to work. This little saw does a bunch of work for me here in the shop. From exhaust to whenever I have interior metal welding jobs get done, this thing really has paid me back. I dig it. All right, we got these little pieces cut. I measured them out to about 1/4 inch, and yeah, now I just have to deburr them and clean them up, get them ready for weld. I'll be using just some non-chlorinated brake parts cleaner, and you know, nothing special, just clean them up. This one I got tacked on. And I'll show you how they should line up inside the exhaust port. Alright, let's see if we can get a shot of this. Okay, so we have our setup we just did. And it'll fit right in your exhaust port. Okay, I don't know if you can see back in there, but the lip comes outside the exhaust port like maybe like a 1/16 or so. Yep, nope. And that's kind of what you want, because the retaining clip and then of course the flange that bolts it on there is supposed to smash this into there for a solid seal and a good mount. So that's what we're going for. Alright, here we go. So here's what we got so far. We got my setup for the front exhaust. Okay, this is where the retaining ring and the mounting flange will go. And I've got that stepped up to 1 7/8 inches already. Okay, and I've got it welded all the way around. Okay, came out great. The rear I had to go back in and shorten up because it was a little bit too long, which is all good, so I shortened it, and now I got the 1 7/8 inches flange, it's still kind of warm, tacked up. One on each 90-degree axis, so it anchors well. And here we go, we got pie cuts. We got the pie cuts. That bike cuts. Inch and 7/8, 15-degree pie cuts. 304 stainless steel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld up probably 4 or 5 of them and see how they look on the rear flange. I'll probably bolt this up and I'll use the Sharpie to mark basically where they need to be welded. And what you want to do is you want to clean this shit first. Okay, go ahead and clean it real good because there's a bunch of oils and shit on them. So clean it, and then we'll tack these about 4 of them together, maybe, yeah, probably 4 of them, and we'll mock it up to the rear head, and we'll see how it looks. So, yeah, that's where we're at.